Mina's and Madhuri's were twin sisters. They look exactly the same, but their natures was completely different. Madhuri's was older than Mina's by just 5 minutes. When they turned 20 years, mothers Vimra's got then married to brothers Amrit and Ankit from Singapore's village. One day, Mina's mother-in-law Janki Devi called out to her
Hey
loudly.
Bahu, where have you disappeared?
Yes, Maji, what happened?
I had asked you to bring me a cup of tea.
Oh, Maji, hasn't Madhuri Didi brought you the tea yet?
But I told you to make the tea. Why would she bring it?
Maji, when did you tell me? If you had, I would have made it already till now.
Oh Lord, you two look so alike. I can't even tell who is Meena and who is Madhuri.
Just then Madhuri's
I
entered.
asked you to bring tea. Why hasn't it come yet?
Maji, tea? But I thought you.
As Madhuri spoke, Meena secretly signals her to go make the teas. Madhuri quickly understood what happened. Meena was using their identical space to push hers onward onto the Madhuri's. The next day, Janki Devi's calls both daughters-in-law to her.
Meena Bahu, Madhuri Bahu, Amit and Ankit's uncle and aunt are coming tomorrow. Meena, you'll cook sweets and a nice lunch. And Madhuri, you handle all the house cleaning. Make sure there is no mistake.
Hearing this, Meena got trellis, annoyed and hearts.
Oh God, this old woman has made me a maid. She just relaxes all day while making us do everything. I don't even know how to cook properly, yet she gives me all the kitchen work.
The very next day, Madhuri started cleaning the house totally, seeing her working so secretly. Janki Devi pressed her a lot, whatever Janki asked Madhuri to do, she did not immediately.
Wow, Madhuri, you have cleaned everything so well. Now do one thing, go to the kitchen and check if your sister has prepared the food properly or not.
Madhuri went to kitchens but did not find Meena there. No food was prepared. Hers. She went to Meena's rooms and found her watching TVs comfortably.
What's this, Meena? You haven't done a single thing and you're just watching TV. Didi, I can't do this housework. I feel dizzy as soon as I step into the kitchen. See, you have lazed around enough before marriage. This is our in-laws' house. You can't behave like this here. You don't need to lecture me, Didi. I know what I need to do. Anyway, Maji only likes her elder Bahu, so you go and please her. When Maji finds out you didn't cook anything, she is going to be really mad.
Saying this, Madhuri left and went to the kitchen to cook. Once she finished, she went to her room to get ready. Meena quickly went to the kitchen and pretended she had made all the food.
Oh wow, Choti Bahu, I thought you were useless, but you have cooked such a lovely meal today. So you have proved that you're no less than the elder Bahu.
Maji, you are too innocent. You still don't realize that I am your most capable Bahu. I cleaned the whole house today too. Didi spent the whole morning just getting ready.
If that's true, then I'll go and talk to Madhuri right now.
Since she was very cunning, she stopped Janki Devi quickly.
Oh no, Maji. Uncle and Auntie must be arriving any moment. We should focus on welcoming them, not worry about Madhuri.
Just then, the uncle and the aunties arrived. Amrit and Ankit also returns from office. Madhuri quickly greeted the elders and serves foods on the tables. Everyone started presenting the foods as soon as they taste it.
Wow, Bahu, you have made a really delicious meal.
This food isn't cooked by her, rather by my younger daughter-in-law, Meena.
Hearing this from Janki's, Amit is shocked and says this to himself, what am I hearing? Mina's cooked all this. The one who feels she is just making a cup of tea. That is just be one of our tricks.
Maji, but I made all this food.
I know everything. You always fool me. Since you both sisters look the same, you take advantage of your younger sister. Meena does all the work, even though she's younger. And you claim you did everything. Shame on you.
Mom, I know Madhuri well. She would never do anything like this. In fact, she always does all the work with joy and dedication.
All of you only like Madhuri Didi. You're always praising her. No one even cares about me in this house. That's why everyone always blames me for everything.
The next morning, Meera goes to her mother-in-law and says,
Hey old lady, yesterday you insulted me in front of everyone. From now on, you will do all the kitchen work. Today you'll make breakfast too, and if you don't bring it to my room quickly, you will regret it.
Madhuri, what are you saying?
Meena smiles to herself and says,
Now the real fun begins.
Janki Devi started making breakfast in the kitchens when Madhuri comes and says,
What is this, Maji? Why are you making breakfast?
just then Amrit and Ankit come for breakfast.
What's going on, Madhuri? Why is Mom making breakfast today?
Oh my ill fate. Just now you threatened me to make breakfast. And now you are pretending like you said nothing to me. Madhuri, you have finally shown your true colors. I thought Meena was the lazy one, but real careless and rude one is you.
Mom, when did Madhuri threaten you? She's been with me since morning, helping me with some office work. This must be some misunderstanding. Oh, now I get it. The one who came to you this morning wasn't Madhuri Bhabhi. It was actually Meena.
Janki Devi angrily calls out to Meena.
Meena, you did it. You threatened me pretending to be Madhuri.
Meena speaks to herself.
Oh no, looks like the old lady figured it out.
Meena, now I understand. You did all this to ruin your sister's image and become the good one in my eyes. There's no place for a deceiving and lazy daughter-in-law like you in this house. It would be best if you leave right now.
Maji, please forgive Meena. If she leaves this house, how will I live without her? I won't feel good at all. Didi, I have realized my mistake. I always try to bring you down in front of Maji. But still, you are asking her to forgive me. I made the mistake, so I should be the one asking for forgiveness.
Meena folds her hands and apologizes to her mother-in-law and everyone.
Okay, you will be forgiven. But remember one thing. If you do anything like this again,
Maji, I promise I'll never do anything like this again. From now on, I'll work with Didi and help her in every task. No one will have any reason to complain.
Meena realized her mistakes and started helping her sisters-in-law the household chores.